Race, get him, Pop.
Today is May 28th, 2007, and little Rachel Carr is almost 3 years old. How old are you going to be, Rachel?
13.
How old?
24.
4? I thought you were going to be 3. 3, that's right. Oh boy, look at you. Did you feed the fish? Are you all done feeding the fish?
I'll feed them.
You think they ate enough? You want to feed some more? A little bit more. We'll leave it there. You want to give it to me? Thank you. Okay, one more time. Come and get it. Okay, here they come. I think they're still eating the other stuff. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Rachel.
Goodbye.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Say goodbye.